Here's how to add a Stripe checkout to Unbounce. In your Unbounce account, go to All Pages and select the landing page you've created to open the page overview. From here, copy your page URL. You'll need it later. Next, go to your Stripe account in Stripe, click Products, and then Add Product. Give your product a name and add a description. You can also upload an image if you'd like. Then choose the pricing model, either a one-time payment or a recurring subscription. Enter the price, for example, $20, and if it's recurring, set the billing interval, monthly, weekly, yearly, etc. If you want to customize pricing further, click More Pricing Options. Once everything looks good, click Add Product. After creating your product, go to Payment Links in Stripe and click Create Payment Link. Choose the product you just created. From here, you can customize your checkout settings or, for example, collect tax automatically, ask for customer name, business name, address, or phone number, enable or disable promotional codes. When you're done, click Create Link at the top right. Stripe will then generate both a shareable checkout link and an embed code. Copy either the payment link or the embedded HTML code. You'll use this to add Stripe Checkout to your Unbounce landing page. Go back to Unbounce, open your landing page in the Classic Builder, and find the section where you want the Stripe Checkout to appear. On the left-hand panel, locate the Custom HTML widget. Drag and drop it into the desired section of your page. A pop-up window will appear. Paste your Stripe Embed HTML code here. Click Save Code, then save and republish your page. Once republished, open your landing page and look for your Stripe Checkout button or payment section. Click on it. It should redirect you to your Stripe-hosted checkout page where visitors can complete their payment. And that's how to add a Stripe checkout to Unbounce.